Today I'll show you how to animate numbers in After Effects. We're also gonna see how to add decimals, commas, and symbols to this animation. Let's begin. First, add a text layer on the timeline. You can type in any number basically. I'll type in 1 million as an example. Then align your text in the center using the Align panel. Great, now to start working on the animation, search for an effect called Slider Control and apply it onto your text. By the way, I'm using FX Console. If you don't have it, you can just go to the Effects and Presets panel and you can find this effect there. Now expand this arrow over here, expand this arrow too, and then drag the property pick, which is this little icon here, towards the slider setting in the Effect Controls panel. As soon as you do that, your text is gonna just say 0. Alright, now place your time indicator at the beginning of the timeline, or at any point where you want the animation to start. Click the stopwatch of the slider, move a few seconds forward, and then change the value to any number you have in mind. I have millions on my mind, so that's cringe, but if you look closely, when we play the animation back, you can't really understand what's happening. And this is because After Effects generated a lot of numbers behind the decimal with each frame on the timeline. So to fix this, close down these sections of the layer, then select the text layer and hit U as many times as possible until this expression box appears on a timeline. Click on it, and now follow closely. Put a dot after this expression, then write in the word value, click OK on the keyboard, then add another dot, and then write the word toFixed, and then type in 0. And as you can see, now we have deleted the decimal places. This setting controls the number of decimal places basically. Setting it to 0 removes them completely. Now if you want to add a $sign to this animation, all you have to do is click on the expression box again, go to the very beginning, and add the double quotes symbol, then the $sign symbol, double quotes again, space, then the plus sign, and then space again. And if you do this correctly, you will have the $sign added to your animation. And you can just change this symbol to anything you like later. You can type in the pound sign or euro sign. You can also create the percentage animation. Just set the first keyframe to 0 and the last keyframe to something in between that and 100, and then add the percentage symbol at the start, and that's it. Now what about the commas, you might be asking? How do we add those? Well, that's very easy as well. Open up the expression box again and move towards the end of that expression. Hit OK to move one line down. Then copy and paste this expression that you can find in the description below this video. Paste that here, but that's not all. You have to select the first expression that we made, Ctrl X to cut it. Then you need to select this thing called value, delete it, and then paste the expression that you cut inside of here. Click anywhere else, and that's how you create the commas for your numbers. If you didn't understand something so far, feel free to rewind back the video, and you can ask me anything in the comments, I'll be happy to reply. I wish I could explain to you what we just did, but honestly, I just found out about this expression online, so it is what it is. It works, so that's what matters. If you want to show sense in your text, just go back to the expression, add the number 2 inside of these brackets instead of the number 0. And that's how you make this animation. Finally, you can add a glow effect onto your text to make it look shiny. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Also, feel free to watch this next tutorial.